Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed lower on Wednesday, dragged by shares in healthcare equipment and services, pharmaceuticals, biotech and life sciences, and telecommunication services sectors. On the economic docket, trade deficit that narrowed to $49.4 billion in February from $51.1 billion in the previous month. This all as 62% of SP 500 constituents traded lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, E-Trade Financial reporting first quarter diluted EPS of $1.09 versus 88 cents last year on net revenue of $755 million. Asian markets lower today. The Nikkei down 0.84%. The Hang Seng down a little more than 0.5%. China CSI 300 down 0.37%. South Korea's Kospi down 1.43%. European markets mixed, and U.S. futures calling for a flat to negative opening. Now, in terms of expectations today, Philip Morris International first quarter EPS seen at $1. Honeywell's first quarter EPS seen at $1.83 on sales of approximately $8.6 billion, while American Express first quarter EPS seen at $1.99. Schlumberger first quarter EPS seen at 30 cents. Now, on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have both initial and continuing jobless claims figures. We also have the April Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index and March retail sales numbers. 9:45 sees market manufacturing and services PMI reads 10 o'clock February business inventories. Turning over to the markets, the SP 500 is where we begin. That sees the downside prevail and is in focus. Short positions below 29.0350 are favored, with targets at 28.8375 and 28.7725 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq sees its key resistance 76.96, while the Dow Jones sees the downside prevail.